We're here with Hofstra field hockey coach Kathy DeAngelis. Coach, a hard-fought 4-3 overtime victory over the Columbia Lions today on a goal by Stella Schern. Your assessment after a rough start, 2-0 down, good comeback by the Pride.
Yeah, well, that's what it is, Jim. We did have a rough start, and that was unfortunate. But our resilience throughout the match just got stronger and stronger, and I'm really, really proud of how we came back with just a relentless attitude, which is sometimes needed in games like this. And Columbia is a tough team, and we made some adjustments at halftime, and I'm really, really proud of the outcome.
Coach, just talking about those opportunities in the second half, they really didn't seem like there was much in that first half, but shots 6-6 for both halves, but it really changed in that second half. What was the biggest difference between first half and the second half with at least creating chances?
Right. Well, I think we began to move the ball better in the back line, and we struggled a little bit with that in the beginning of the first half, a little bit tentative. We started to take the ball on the move, and I think that opened up a lot of pockets for us to develop a lot of attacking abilities in the defending 50, which is really, really important. So if we had a few breaks like that, we were able to hit our strikers, and we're so dangerous on the fast break, and I think that collectively allowed us to put ourselves in position to get some of those opportunities.
Something that was something that you wouldn't be happy of is there are 3 goals coming off of penalty corners.
Yeah.
It's what do you feel like what adjustments you have to make going into practice?
Well, I mean, it's very clear that statistically that we have to do a way better job on our defensive corner unit, and that's the entire defensive corner unit also. So I think we began working on this last week, but we just need a stronger mentality and a focus as to where the ball can go anticipated a lot better. Like I said, I think we did a great job to, they had 11 corners against us, and then we really fought back and didn't let up a goal.
Coach, what were your comments on Lauren Sautus's first half performance?
Well, I thought she did. This is her first time getting back in there in a few games, so I thought she did a very nice job coming in, very confident. Came up a few saves, and the communication was very good.
Were you happy you started her today?
Yeah, I'm really, really happy. It's really nice that we have 2 goalkeepers we can go to at any time, and I think they both did a very nice job today, and we were able to get a win with both of them. So.
Now your second half, you bring on Kara Swan. She made a couple fantastic saves to at least make sure that the game stayed tied. Just talk about how she came on coming off of the bench, even though you do give Saltis to start.
Yeah, I thought, like Saltis, it was great that she came on, and it's not easy to sub in and not be the starting goalkeeper sometimes, but I thought she came with a lot of confidence, and her positioning was very good, and she gave us some key quality saves for us. So that was very exciting, and it's just nice that we have 2 goalkeepers that we can go to.
Stella Schern scores the game winner. How she feels she's getting back in the lineup after missing a couple of games?
Well, I think it's great that she scored today, and she needed a little boost of confidence. She's, when you're sidelined, you're injured for such a long period of time. It's you can get yourself down a little bit, but she had a great game today, and she's getting stronger and stronger and getting her fitness back. It was a fantastic goal today. I'm really, really proud of her. Obviously, it's a team effort to get her the ball, but she did score under great pressure, and it's a game winner. So,
Coach, after 4 consecutive losses, how important was this win today?
Oh, it was huge, very important.
Now, how do you take this momentum? You after the 4-game losing streak, you win one back, and now you go down to Drexel to start CAA play again.
Well, we need to analyze this weekend's play, and overall, I felt with our game, certainly our game with Northeastern, being a CAA game, and also with Columbia today, that we're doing some really nice things. We got to continue to improve, and this is going to be the biggest part of this weekend is going to be our mentality to maintain our focus for 70 minutes, and that we've hit some adversity with some young players, and I think right now we're really collectively as a team we're so strong, and we've had great chemistry, and I think that bond is ultimately really leading us to a great win like today.